Hello everyone. So here we are going to demonstrate that how exactly Tally and Odoo sync and connector works all together. So we will start from the installing the modules. So once you will do the setup and go into the applications and search for the Tally connector, you will find this module which need to be installed. On other side, you need to open up your Tally. I have done this setup. An educational version, so educational version having some constraint where it accept only the entry which is means from the date of installation where we have when we have installed the Tally. So right now the date of installation in this Tally has been set for 2nd of December. So whatever the entry before or equal to 2nd of December, it will accept. After that, it will not accept. For that, we need to have, means it works with silver membership of a Tally. So now, since this module has already been installed, we need to go to accounting. For once you'll go here, you will under the settings, you will see an option called Tally connectors of post installation. So here we need to configure this company. Whatever the company is set up here, you need to do the setup here. Then you need to put the URL of your Tally where it's hosted. Once you'll click, it will verify whether it is connected or not. Now, once it's got connected, there are a few more things we need to do the configuration. So before configuration, let's just start with some masters like partners or and any other things, which will give us a clarity that how exactly things is happening. So let's just start a company. Before that, let's get some testing GST number. So we'll get to know that one. So that how it's syncing. So I'm going to get some test GST number like this one. I get it here, and in one go, I go and put it here. I put this one. It took automatically everything here, and as soon as I'm going to save Central Warehouse Corporation, instead of that, we'll check something else. We are going to take something else, like we are going to take this one, the West Bengal one. This is the one. Okay, so we are going to do this one instead. As soon as we will save, the Hindustan Copper Limited, and we will go to Tally. We'll see it's got synced automatically. Now let's go and make some changes. So see, I'm going to make some changes like 18 and going to save it. This should change 18. It is getting changed. Okay. So same way, when we are going to create any product in Odoo, like I'm going to create a product here. Before that, let's go and check how many products available, items. So I'm going to select this many items are available. I'm going to create some more product here. Product is like iPhone 17 Pro. Something like that I have created, where I'm going to put the GST rate for 18 and HSN code I have put this one, and I'm going to save it. I have created this iPhone 17 Pro. You can see here it's available with the same HSN code, 18% GST. Since we have created this much of a thing, now let's go and hop on accounting, for which this Tally integration is meant for. Before going to directly showing that invoicing and how the bill and the refund and credit note, debit note works, let me walk you around that how the mapping we have done. So we have journals, like there is a customer invoice we are going to sync. So the Odoo journal name is customer invoice. Then we had the move type, which is customer invoice, and the Tally voucher name, which we are going to sync with, is sales, and the ledger name is sales account, which we have done the configuration. I wanted to show you. So if I'll go here and if I'll go, this one I have done the sales account. Now this is for invoicing, this is for credit note. The same way the Odoo journal is customer invoice, then credit note, here also credit note, and goes into sales account. And the same way for taxation, we need to do the account mapping. So in Odoo it's IGST and Tally it's IGST account, which is IGST account. Here it's CGST, here it's CGST account. Here is SGST payable, here it's SGST account. Like that we have done. Now, since this one is done, mapping, we also going to map the payment. So we have the bank, it's called inbound payment for customer, and then the Tally voucher name is payment. Okay, and it, however, the inbound should be receipt. So it is something going to be receipt. Okay, so we can do it as a receipt, and it's going into HDFC Bank. Okay, now let's go and create an account in an invoicing for the Hindustan Copper Limited we have created here, and we will put the date for December 2nd. And we are going to do the sale for iPhone 17 Pro with the price. This much, and we will apply 18% GST and CGST at 9,000. Now we have created to confirm from here, like we have confirmed this one. This should be synced there, okay, with the same cost, same price, and everything. Now we are going to you can see here iPhone 17 Pro 1 unit, this much, and 18,000 SGST CGST has been added and created. Let's make the payment for the same. I'm going to make the payment in the bank, manual payment 18,000. The date need to be changed to December 2nd. I have created this payment. Since I have created this payment also should be here. You can see we have the receipt. Since we have the receipt, the amount which is debited, the credited amount, the current balance becomes 0. That reconciliation happens. Then there is, let's create a credit note for the same. We will select the same date, marks the reason, created the reverse, confirm it, and the credit note created. Now we are liable to pay 1,18,000 back to the customer. Okay, so let's make the payment first. For that one, we need to do some changes here, means some another journal mapping here for the payment. Okay, like it's a bank, and we are going to do in outbound payment, customer receipt, journal entry, date and credit note. You can do that way, and then Tally voucher type will be receipt, and same account we are going to configure here. Okay, this one is done. Now we are going to do the payment. Mark the payment. We have created the payment. This created with a wrong entry. There is a wrong entry which we need to correct, and that should be here. It should not be receipt, it should be payment, because we are giving the money out. So this journal, this receipt should be payment. So let's do one thing. We need to go we have deleted this one. Up, and we'll confirm back again. Now it creates the payment. Okay, so this has been for customer, invoice, credit note, and payment, which you have seen. Now let's go for the vendor bill, and we need to do the mapping for vendor bill as well. Now we have the vendor bill. We have here also a vendor bill. We create a purchase one, and what exactly happens when we create a purchase one? Let's go and check. So here in Tally, if we'll come, we have multiple type of voucher which we can create. For the purchase we create, we need to go and press F9. We have this purchase, okay, and this mapping need to be done. And we purchase, we'll create this one, then we'll go here at the end. This is purchase. It says that purchase account. We'll go PURCHASE, purchase account. Purchase account. Now SGST, CGST, everything is there. We have done. This is the vendor bill. Now let's create for debit note for the same. Customer credit note, vendor debit note. We are going to do the purchase, and the same account is going to be used. That's correct. Now let's do the payment for the same. We already have the bank one, the vendor which we have created here. And this need to be payment. The outbound will be the payment, the inbound will be the receipt. Okay. Now we have this one. Let's go and create a bill against the same vendor. We are going to do that. Hindustan Copper Limited. We'll select the bill date for 2nd of December. We went again here for 2nd of December. We went and we are going to buy the same product from them in 10 quantity with the price 80,000, and we will do it 18% GST purchase will not 80,000. Now this is a bill. Will confirm. It says SGST receivable does not exist. What does that mean? this is IGST account. We'll enable that. Whatever the voucher number will be here will go to Tally. So let's do and check. Now it's got synced. Okay, and then now we'll go into Tally and we'll see what exactly happens. So we'll go into accounting book, ledgers, Hindustan Coppers Limited, and we have a vendor bill of exact same amount what we have created with SGST and CGST in there. Now let's make the payment for the same. We are going to make the payment.